today's hypermobile world, there's no denying the dominance of iPhones and iPads. Millions of consumers eagerly await the annual release of new devices, boasting the latest iOS update. This passionate user base translates into a constant churn of innovation, both for Apple and the app developers who cater to their needs. For businesses, this presents a tremendous opportunity, a direct line to a community that's constantly engaged and ready to explore the new possibilities. But here's the challenge. With so much riding on your iOS app, choosing the right development language becomes a critical decision. It can impact everything from user experience to your bottom line. That's where digital transformation companies like Copper Digital come in. Hello folks, I'm Arvind Serene, the chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. As your trusted partner in digital transformation for over 14 years, we've witnessed the mobile revolution firsthand. We've seen groundbreaking technologies emerge and entire industries adapt. Today, I'm here to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of iOS app development. When it comes to programming languages, there isn't one-size-fits-all answer. Three strong contenders dominate: the iOS arena, Swift, Objective-C, and Xamarin. Each boasts unique strengths, making the selection process a strategic one. This comprehensive guide will empower you to delve into the intricacies of these languages. By understanding their nuances, you as a business leader can make an informed decision. A decision that aligns perfectly with your development goals, project timelines, and overall business strategy, puts you in the driver's seat of your app success. Now, without further ado, let's embark on the journey together and unlock the language of success for your next iOS app. The very first language we'll delve into for iOS development is Swift, Apple's ingenious creation unveiled in 2014. From its inception, Swift has risen to prominence as the bedrock of iOS app development, encapsulating qualities of speed, modernity, and safety within a meticulously crafted framework. Now, let's delve deeper into compelling reasons why businesses worldwide are gravitating towards Swift for their iOS app ventures, seeking to harness its transformative potential to unlock new realms of innovation and success. When to choose Swift for iOS app development? If you're starting fresh with a brand new project, Swift is your best bud. Think of it as a super clean and clear language that makes coding feel like composing a beautiful melody. No more deciphering cryptic symbols, just smooth sailing with way fewer errors. This translates to getting your app up and running faster. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that? Plus, with Swift, your app will be inherently more reliable and user-friendly, a win-win for everyone. Now, if you're building an app that runs complex calculations or has stunning graphics, then Swift is still your champion. If built for peak performance, so your app will run smoothly and flawlessly, exceeding all expectations. Imagine your app gliding through even the most demanding tasks. Finally, let's talk about the future. The tech world is constantly changing, but with Swift, you can rest easy knowing your app is built to last. Apple is constantly improving Swift alongside iOS updates, so your app will always be relevant and adaptable, ready to take on whatever the future throws its way. Why use Swift for your iOS app? Swift's clean, readable code makes development a breeze for your team. No more deciphering cryptic symbols. This clarity translates to faster development, fewer errors, and happier collaborators. Additionally, Swift also prioritizes safety, ensuring your apps are robust and reliable. It safeguards against pitfalls with features like optionals, keeping your code on track even when things get tricky. And for those with existing Objective-C code, Swift bridges the gap seamlessly. You can leverage the past while embracing the future of iOS development. Finally, Swift Playgrounds turns coding into interactive playground. Experiment, prototype, and ignite your team's creativity as you explore the possibilities of Swift. In essence, Swift emerges as a strategic linchpin for businesses aiming to conquer the iOS ecosystem. Its fusion of speed, safety, and future compatibility positions it as the beacon of promise, offering tangible advantages across the spectrum and guiding businesses towards resounding success. Moving ahead, let's turn our attention to another iOS development language, Objective-C. While Swift may be the shiny new object in the room, Objective-C stands as a stalwart workhorse with a proven track record. Think of it as the seasoned professional on your development team, reliable, experienced, and possessing a deep understanding of the iOS landscape. You might be thinking, Swift is all rage, Objective-C is so yesterday. But hold on, Objective-C can still be your secret weapon in a few key situations. And what are these situations? let's get to know. When it comes to maintaining legacy systems, Objective-C steps up as the seasoned maestro. Picture this, you've got a thriving iOS app built meticulously with Objective-C. It's a gem, but updating it feels like navigating a labyrinth. Here's where Objective-C swoops in, offering familiarity and efficiency. It's like having a reliable compass guiding you through the maze of legacy code, saving precious time and resources better allocated to new ventures. And let's talk about transitioning to Swift, a ballet of integration. Businesses often crave the modern allure of Swift but hesitate to bid adieu to the trusty Objective-C foundation. Enter Objective-C's seamless interoperability. It's the smooth transition you've been dreaming of, letting you sprinkle Swift's magic dust on your project while preserving the solid backbone of Objective-C. Now, let's dive into Objective-C's library ecosystem, a treasure trove of shortcuts. Imagine you're embarking on a new iOS journey. The last thing you want to do is reinvent the wheel. Objective-C presents you with a plethora of pre-built libraries honed over years of iOS evolution. These gems turbocharge your development, adding layers of functionality with minimal effort. It's like having a superhero sidekick, propelling your project forward while you focus on the big picture. Why use Objective-C? Well, Objective-C boasts a treasure trove of benefits perfect for navigating the complex landscape of iOS development. Firstly, it's a master of legacy. Got a mountain of old C++ code? No sweat. Objective-C bridges the gap, seamlessly integrating with your existing codebase. Think of it as a translator, whispering to your old code and making it sing with your new app. This saves you time, money, and the headaches of complete overhaul. But Objective-C isn't just an interpreter of the past. It's a leader in the present. A vast legion of skilled developers stand ready to build and maintain your apps with expertise. The most captivating feature, however, is Objective-C's adaptability. It's like a master key, unlocking the future of app development seamlessly. Objective-C integrates beautifully with Swift, the rising star of iOS. This allows for a gradual transition, incorporating modern features without disrupting your entire project. It's a pragmatic approach, maximizing your investment while minimizing headaches. So while Swift might be the new king, captivating with the modern syntax, Objective-C remains an essential player. It's the steady hand for those navigating legacy systems, the bridge to the future, and the gateway to a vast library ecosystem. Each language has a role when it comes to choosing the iOS development language, and Objective-C isn't a relic. It's the wise old master, ensuring a smooth and successful performance. Next up is Xamarin. With Xamarin, you can move beyond the confines of Swift and Objective-C and unlock potential to reach users across iOS, Android, and Windows platforms simultaneously. While Swift remains the cornerstone for native iOS development, Xamarin introduces game-changing efficiency. When considering the adoption of Xamarin for your business, consider the return on investment. Are you seeking efficiency in app development? Xamarin enables one codebase for 3 platforms. Imagine crafting your app's core logic just once in C#, a language widely embraced by developers. With Xamarin, this single codebase seamlessly powers your iOS, Android, and Windows app, slashing development time and cost and accelerating time to market. Next, when you want to capitalize on C# skills, Xamarin is your best choice. If your development team boasts expertise in C#, they can seamlessly transition to Xamarin, leveraging their existing proficiency and minimizing the learning curve. No protracted training sessions are required. They can just hit the ground running. Moreover, folks, Xamarin isn't confined to simple steps. It thrives in the realm of complex enterprise applications, whether navigating multiple operating systems or scaling up for extensive user bases. Xamarin ensures consistency and efficiency. Think of it as your ticket to flawless user experience, regardless of your app's magnitude. Wondering why choose Xamarin? Let's break it down. Imagine building a killer app that dominates the market on iOS, Android, and Windows, all without breaking the bank or facing years of development. That's the magic of Xamarin. This revolutionary platform lets you write code once in C#, a powerful and familiar language, and then deploy it seamlessly across all major mobile platforms. Gone are the days of building separate apps for each OS, slashing development timelines and costs. But Xamarin doesn't stop there. It integrates flawlessly with Visual Studio, your one-stop shop for crafting stunning user interfaces and streamlining collaboration. This dream team of Xamarin and Visual Studios fuels innovation, empowering you to create sophisticated apps that keep users hooked. In a world of constant change, Xamarin keeps you ahead of the curve. With its rich C# resources and cross-platform prowess, you can build market-leading apps that deliver a seamless user experience across every device. So ditch the development roadblocks and embrace the future. The future is Xamarin. Building a mobile app feels like navigating a maze. Every turn unveils another option. We've explored the powerhouses, lightning-fast Swift, the familiar friend Objective-C, and the cross-platform charmer Xamarin. But which one unlocks your app's true potential? For those obsessed with speed, Swift is your knight in shining armor. Its sleek code and modern features make development a breeze and user experiences feel like greased lightning. But what if you're knee-deep in legacy code written in Objective-C? No sweat, Objective-C remains trusty champion, offering a familiar landscape with a vast library at your disposal. Plus, its smooth transition to Swift ensures your app stays future-proof without a bumpy ride. Craving to conquer multiple platforms? Look no further than Xamarin. This cross-platform champion lets you leverage your C# skills to build single codebase that powers apps for iOS, Android, and Windows. Its efficiency reimagined, allowing you to reach a wider audience with minimal effort. Ultimately, the key lies in finding the technology that aligns with your business goals and resources. Ready to break free from the mobile app maze? Let's chat about your project and find the perfect fit. Until then, happy developing.